What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, this is Nathan's Detailing, and today we're talking about a 2023 Porsche Cayman 718 GTS 4.0. Did I get it all? Did it all come out? I don't know, that's a mouthful. I don't know if I can. All right, guys, real quick. Is it Porsche or Porsche? Let us know in the comments. I think it should be Porsche. I don't know. Let's see what you think. Let's talk about the lines. Sleek, sporty, classic Porsche lines, right? They haven't really changed the design of their vehicle in the last, what, ever? How long have they been around, Ethan? This car is an absolute beast. It's powered by a remarkable, naturally aspirated 4.0 liter flat six engine. The cylinders are positioned horizontally instead of vertically. That means it gives the car a lower center of gravity, making it easier to drive, helping you maintain control at higher speeds. Let's check out the interior. Alcantara on the doors, Alcantara on the seats, and oh my goodness, it's like a fabled creature, a unicorn, a 6-speed. So I learned how to drive a car on a stick shift. How many people out there right now can drive a stick shift? Let us know in the comments. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit designed for performance and luxury. The 718 Cayman GTS 4.0 is equipped with premium materials, including Alcantara upholstery and carbon fiber accents. So this client requested that we apply PPF to the front of this vehicle, the bumper, the hood, the fenders. We call that a full front. Also did the top of the pillars here, the mirrors, rocker panels, and the door sills. Now, why is that important? That's important because this car is really low to the ground and not easy to get in and out of. You don't want to scuff up that door sill with your feet, with your shoes, with your boots. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We hope you had a good time. We did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little notification button at the top because you're going to want to know what's coming up next.